gapon. Sexy agad snorkel eh. Hey guys, we're here at Uncle Mike's today and it's November 1. All Saints Day. All Saints Day, and we're beside plantation. But of course, na typhoon sa north of the Philippines, northern part of the Philippines, so the waves are really strong right now. Ay, moto siya. Okay, we need to immerse. Alam, makapiright ko later guys. So ayan sa ato na white pins. Diya saka. Guys, muraling na sa wave pool. Wow, lupog guys sila. No need for snorkels. The goose boundary. Wave pool. Hala, makuha mo sa mga wall. Sa lamlam kay medyo crowded na dito sa unahan. Dili na kayo kusog ang current diri sa, I'm not sure if kusgan mo ani, but makaya pa man ako, so I'm going to look for the mermaid na statue diri ilam sa Uncle Mike's if I can. Good luck. Lisod siya, despite how many kicks maglisod kog move, so I'll try to go back na lang paduol kay basin layo kog lagputan in a bit. 3, but I asked Gian to come back at 2 because the weather's not that good. But the waves got better after a few hours, so it's not that harsh anymore. But Uncle Mike told me that maybe tonight it will be really strong, so thank God I already reached the 1 minute breath hold. So I hope the next time I come here it will already be 2 minutes. So that's it for me, guys. I'm just here actually to practice holding my breath longer than 1 minute, but I guess I need to start again from scratch. I hope you guys like this video, and also if you have any questions about Uncle Mike's or about what I'm doing, leave them in the comments below. And if you wish to support me, please to subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Next week, by the way, November 14, we will be in the south. We will be going to Malabuyok, Alegria, Santander, and hopefully around those areas. So I hope to see you there. Bye, guys.